Are you looking for the perfect nightlight for your child's room? Mind-blowing 3D galaxy moonlight is a must-have for your child's bedroom. This galaxy lamp inspires your child's inner explorer, sparks their creativity, and gets them excited about space. Now you can bring the magic and splendor of the night sky to your child's bedroom. Enjoy stunning and realistic images of galaxies, nebulas, and stars. Each lamp includes 16 vibrant colors to choose from, so your child can choose their favorite. Plus, when it's bedtime, you can turn the bright galaxy lamp into a gentle nightlight. Use the 5-stage dimmer function to adjust for sleeping. This beautiful galaxy lamp is available in 3 different size variations. Each lamp includes a premium wooden stand, a battery-operated remote, and a convenient USB charging cable. And with a touch of your finger, you have the power to change the color of the lamp. This smart lamp makes a unique and thoughtful gift for girls and boys of all ages. Give your child the universe with our mind-glowing nightlight lamps.
Kids lunch solution? Well, look no further. This is the Bento Kids Lunchbox. They're leak-proof, BPA-free, non-toxic, and made with food-safe materials. It's designed with durable, rubber-coated edges that protect the lunchbox when dropped, 2 kid-friendly latches, and inside you'll find a removable microwave and dishwasher-safe tray with 5-portion perfect compartments. Recommended for children ages 3 to 7, this lid is perfectly contoured to each compartment to keep meals and snacks fresh and mess-free during transport. That means you can pack things like sauces, yogurt, ranch, hummus, and even applesauce without even worrying about it spilling between compartments or in your child's lunch bag. I like to pack my kids' lunches the night before and just stack them in the fridge so it's easy to grab and go the next day for school, picnics, or any outdoor activities. And cleanup is a breeze. Just pop the removable compartment tray in the top shelf of your dishwasher after meals and snacks. There are so many different colors, patterns, and prints to choose from to showcase your child's personality. The Bento Kids Lunchbox has won the PTPA seal of approval, has been featured all over the press, and is loved by millions of customers worldwide. Make life simple, fresh, healthy, and fun with the Bento Kids Lunchbox.
Kids have big personalities, and it's time their lunchboxes and gear matched. What better way than with the bold and stylish Bento Kids prints? Bento has tons of fun and colorful prints that you can choose from. First, start with the leak-proof Bento Kids Prints lunchbox with 5-portion perfect compartments. Add it into the durable Bento Kids Prints lunch bag that's double insulated and comes with various adjustable handles, clips, and straps. Or add it into our innovative 2-in-1 backpack with a built-in lunch bag. Our backpack also comes with comfortable, supportive padding along with numerous compartments to hold everything your child needs while on the go. And both bags come with exterior mesh pockets, durable zippers, and high-quality water-resistant material. Plus, the lunch bags and backpacks fit our other Bento lunchboxes too. And don't forget to complete the set with the Bento Buddies that helps keep food cool for up to 4 hours. Benko has the items you'll need for your kiddos to hit the classroom or any outdoor activities in style. Get your Benko Kids prints today.
Kidda's 2-story fire escape ladder keeps you prepared for the possibility of a fire or other emergencies. It provides the means for a quick and easy escape from a 2-story home and features a strong and durable construction. And it's easy to use. It attaches quickly to most common window frames. Its tangle-free design makes it fast and easy to deploy. Anti-slip, zinc-plated steel rungs prevent slipping and ensure a safe descent. Kidda, peace of mind.
These cotton mop pads naturally care for your floor. I love my wooden floors and always choose natural fabric for cleaning. I'm a big fan of Van Duck cotton mop refills. They are so easy to put on. It fits my mop perfectly. These are super sturdy, pick up so much dirt, dust, and, well, hair. If you have pets, it is irreplaceable. It can be used wet or dry, and it makes my cleaning so much easier. These natural material pads are so easy to detach, wash, and reuse again. This product is great for all surface types, including hardwood, tiles, laminate, and even vinyl. Good for the environment, no more waste.